Range Rover SVR. Leaping it, but here we go. We got the shear on. You can hear the idle from all the way here. It's a brand new one. It's hiding in the bushes. Oh, we got the Ferrari limo on cue, and here we go. There it is. Ooh. I wonder if he's with this brand new Rolls Royce right here. They've been mobbing together the entire time. Whoa, it's doing loops. Doesn't even have the plate on. Brand new. All right, we're at the spot of choice for everyone to flex their cars. They will put style. I'm gonna try and cross the street. Check this out, guys. Unfortunately, this guy has the rear US bumpers right over here. Check that out. They look like bookcase shelves. This guy to my left here is staring at me because I'm vlogging, but that's all right. The guy right there in the sunglasses. Yup. There we go. Not bad. It's got the blue wheels as well. Ogara. White interior with a dark blue. Pretty clean spec. Just got one thing to do, that's to delete the US rear bumper. Dude, look at the guy right behind the Chiron. He is absolutely stupefied as to what is happening. He's wondering, why are all these guys taking photos of this car? He was there for like, what, 30 minutes? Probably got the VIP treatment straight away, got a table, ate, and bounced. Check out this plate. We were actually confused. We thought it said Bastards, then we thought it was Best Doctors, and Arnold coming in clutch says it's Best Dressed. Wow, 3 iterations of a plate. What a gangster. Right, we got a pretty clean, very loud Mercedes-Benz C63, but look at that plate placement. Dude, he's blocking the air intake. What's he doing with the front plate in the first place? Got the G-Wagon color game on point here. We got the green and a really dark red all the way down there. Check out this hardcore Raider Nation SUV. 5% limo tints all around. It's got the wheels. Look at the wrap. Raiders represent, dude. Dude, check out the wheel size on that bike right there. Holy shit, dude. Quick look at the Floyd Mayweather Veyron with the top down. Red wheels, red paint. I saw a similar one. It was matte red with all red interior at O'Gara. And we got a little scrapage right over here. They've taped it up. It's on the other side as well. That looks like tape to me. It's on both sides. All right, we're currently on Floyd Mayweather's Instagram. There it is, the all red Veyron next to his Rolls Royce. Yep, it looks like he just recently moved to Los Angeles, and there it is. Now, quick correction, I messed up, guys. It's actually not the same one that I seen at O'Gara many years ago. That was a matte red one. This one's got the red wheels. This is a gloss paint here. Of course, it's got the red interior. Floyd Mayweather's Veyron. How many Veyrons has this man bought and sold? That's the real question. Oh. Startup. Got the Bugatti Chiron Sport here at the Beverly Hills O'Gara. They moved the McLaren dealership here. So it's Bugatti, McLaren, and Rolls Royce, I believe. Maybe even Bentley as well, but this thing is $400,000 option. You save 40 pounds on the car. It's got carbon fiber windshield wipers and a new exhaust and wheels. So it's also got the number 16 right up there. You sort of see it. There you go. Excellent. No reflectors, no US bumpers. Oh. They got Carrera GT in there as well. Ooh. Nice. Check that out.
2018. 10 miles. GPS up on it.
400 grand, guys. What do you guys think? The oddest thing is that it's not even a limited edition Chiron. We're on our way to Cars and Camera. It's already started 7:50. Oh fuck! I pressed the wrong button. 7:51. Who's honking? We got our buddies R1 Motorsport tuned Audi R8. Let the fuck boy commence. This guy to my left is just like staring. Oh, we're just staring. Uh-oh. Hello. Alright, here we're at Cars and Cameras. All the cars are leaving. It's probably the best part of the show. What's up, dude? Alright, here we go. Oh boy. The best part of Cars and Cameras, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. It's at a undisclosed location somewhere in West Hollywood? No, we're in Santa Monica, I believe. Oh boy. Oh, he's gonna back up. Oh no. He's gotta get that clearance. Oh, there's a car backing up over there.
Rest in peace to
Oh, he's coming back. He's coming back. And Cameras is happening right now. Oh, here we go. Uh-oh. Dude, at a drop of a hat, these guys are gonna rock and roll, dude. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Nothing. Oh, she's parking, chilling. Oh boy, I'm gonna step back here.
Launch control, bro. Launch control.
Hashtag save it for the track.
Oh no,
Uh-oh.
burn out.
The peer pressure, guys.
Uh-oh.
Here we go. Uh-oh. Oh boy. Mondo fuckboyery at its finest. Got the homie Range Rover SVR. That was a pretty good one. That was a pretty good one. But yup, the weather is a lot warmer, as if it wasn't cold to begin with, because we're in SoCal. We don't really know what cold is. Anyways, cars are coming out by the boatload, guys. By the damn boatload. Check it out, we got the party bus number 1. Struggling. We got party bus number 2, two-toned. Nice. And of course we got the Bugatti Veyron right across the street. That makes 4 Bugattis in one day. 2 Chirons, 16.4, and a Grand Sport. And you can't see it, but there's 2 Rolls Royces right over there. One's in purple and one's in blue. Of course we got a not a Bentayga, Bentley as well. Watch, the whole party bus is shaking. Dude, they're getting crunk in there. You can hear them screaming and shouting inside. You guys hearing that? Hold on. Jeez. The Weekend in Beverly Hills. Holy crap-a-roni, dude.